Revit Products in Smyrna, Georgia. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor and hold many certifications in multiple Autodesk products for the AEC industry. I hope you enjoy my screencast. If you'd like to see more of my screencasts, please search for VAR 2015, that's VAR 2015, or my name. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up after you watch it. In today's screencast, we'll be taking a look at a couple opening commands, the shaft opening command and the wall opening command. We'll start with the shaft opening command. If I take a look at the Architecture tab of the ribbon opening panel, if I click the shaft opening command, it will start up. Everything goes very, very light and gray. You are now in a mode called sketch mode. What it's asking you to do is to draw the magenta lines that represent the outside edges of the boundary of the shaft opening. For example, I can create a rectangle here, and the shaft opening that I'm creating may be for the purposes of, say, an elevator pit or something like that. If we take a look at the instance property of the shaft opening, it will give us an initial base offset, top offset, unconnected height, and top and bottom constraints. If we're not sure exactly what the values should be, it's okay. We can always just finish the command. And you'll notice that if I look at it, I have these arrows that you can click and pull. And the shaft opening, the way it functions, that anything that it touches, any horizontal 3D geometry that it touches, it actually will clean up and make it look like it's gone. So this is how you use the shaft opening command to create a shaft opening. If you need to modify it after the fact, you can select it, click Edit Sketch. It'll take you back into sketch mode, and then you can make adjustments for the shape of the shaft opening. Hit the green check mark when you're finished, and now you have a different size and shape of the shaft opening. The versatility of the shaft opening is that you can select it and move it independent of the horizontal geometry that's being cut. Now let's take a look at the wall opening command. If I go to the elevation view of one of the walls, say this one, I can select that wall and start the command, or just click wall opening command. If I do this, it will ask me to select the wall. I'll pick this wall, and then I can pick a rectangle like so, and it will create an opening in that rectangle, in that wall, as you can see. Now this is a bit limited because if you need to modify after the fact, you can select it and click either Edit Profile and break that wall opening, or very carefully select the opening itself and click and adjust the sizes. Most people don't like to use this because it's not super versatile, so if I were to delete it, I can select the wall and click Edit Profile. Doing this will take the software into sketch mode and allow me to draw whatever I want that represents the openings of the wall, like so. And when you're finished, you hit the green check mark, and now you have a wall that's cleaned up and also has multiple openings in it, and it's a lot more versatile this way. And so this is the screencast for the shaft opening command and the wall opening command. Thank you for watching my screencast, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.